I'm doing a 20 pip a day challenge with a handful of traders that wanted to trade Forex live with me. We log on at 2 a.m. Eastern 2 to 3 times a week for London session, and we have been absolutely killing it together. The win rate has been 75% with a few small losses here and there, but what I really wanted to do was challenge myself and help as many traders as I can become profitable. This journey has been incredible. And what's crazy is that we're just getting started. If you're tired of being confused in the markets and want to take your trading to the next level, I got you. I want to see you win. TeamTakeProfits.net is where you can join, or click the link below. Let's make this money, baby.
Yeah, look like the market gonna be moving. We got on this dollar index, we got this gap trying to get filled right here. So while that's going up, you got GU going down. I'm taking a sell on GBP JPY. I'm just anticipating that it's exhausted and it's gonna pull back here. Okay, so this is GJ. So I'm just anticipating that, you know, we're at the peak. So I got an entry around this area. And let me go down to the lower time frames. My stops would be up here above this structure level. So, you know, if it does pull back higher again one more time, then this would be my cutoff point. So I'm just looking for something like this. Nice little trade, get out the market, be good to go for the day. I'm not taking any buys up here though. Like, price would have to consolidate a little bit more for me to, that's why you see I didn't really have any buy entries for the trade setup. If it's going to buy, my buy entry would be, let me see, let me put out another line. My buy entry would be somewhere down here, retest, like right about here is where I would be looking for buys at. So yeah, we'll just wait on that and see how that develops. This is also why I like the buy opportunities coming down here. Even the sell, right? The sell can come through here. It just all depends how it's gonna blow through here. You know what I mean? It all depends when price get here, we make the decision. But this golden zone is money. Terry, what's up? What's up? We got Answer in the building. What's up, man? I ain't seen you in a minute. We heard from you. So remember I was telling you guys about the swing trades. This is the type of swing trades we're gonna be getting. Like, I want to be getting into coming next year. Now this one was a sneaky one that came about, but you know what? It really wasn't that sneaky because we saw this coming a long time ago. Like, it made this all-time low, and then we've been catching buys from this. You know what I mean? And sometimes, you know, during the London session, it kind of took forever in this consolidation phase. But we saw this. You know what I mean? We've been tracking this. I've been trading GU every day. So we did see this, but I wasn't excited about potentially you looking at this as a swing trade just because of the time of the year. But this is what we're looking for. So probably not like right here, but when it pulls back something like this on the golden zone, that's on these opportunities is where we're trying to catch the swing trade. Let's see, 440 some pips, and we'll be looking at from the daily too. It would have been something like that. And then we start, you know, drawing up the golden zone, go down to each time frame, and then we can start seeing the trend line. It's not going to be necessarily during a London session. It'll be any time of the day, except like 5 o'clock in the evening. Like, we want to wait for the spreads to get a little better, but it's not necessarily going to be like, hey, we catch the beginning entry during London session. It could just happen any time of the day. Yeah, so you can start to see how we can be on a daily chart, see price hitting that golden zone. I wouldn't have took a swing trade entry until price got to the golden zone. Like, if it don't come to the golden zone, then we're not going to swing trade it because we want to catch those swing trades from this golden zone. We're not going to take our swing trade entries at this shallow retracement level. You can if you do, you can like scalp it, day trade it, but don't swing trade it. So that's why the trend line was out here, because we allowed that because we wasn't taking the entry until price came down to the golden zone.
And also, guys, if you support me and love the content that I drop, then please like and share this video with about 2 friends, because I want to help as many people as I can become profitable traders so they can get their time freedom back and start empowering people around them. And you know I'm gonna lace them all the way up. Now let's get back to the charts.
I'm almost at my take profit level on GJ. That worked out pretty good. That was just one of them trades that I just like, you know what? I caught you at a perfect time. Like I rarely ever catch you like this, and like I seen this all like too many times. Like it could have went against me like one more time, but it was like I was willing to risk that because the risk to the reward was too good to miss, to pass up on this one. The way that we trade, you kind of you know, like everything is like laid out for you. It's like, here it is. The only problem is like you just really have to wait. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm proud of y'all because some nights, man, we couldn't even take a trade. And y'all just hung in there. That's how y'all know, like, y'all built for this. If you hung in there and you didn't, if you hung in there all those days where we was waiting all day for trading and stuff like that, and you hung in there, kept coming back, didn't get weary, you built for this. You built for this, because that comes with the territory. Oh, Timbo said he got in. I was like, come on, y'all like the day one since I started this. I know y'all wasn't about to miss it now. Hey, price hitting that TP, you already know.
Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
So you start to understand, if price drops here, there's no way I'm gonna take an entry. There's no way I'm a watch price drop down here. Oh, it's a sell. Well, I'm not finna sell right into this 50. If I'm gonna take a sell, then you better have the courage to do it right here where it's at right now. There's no way I'm gonna take a sell right here. Oh, you know what I mean? It's like pretty much time out for that. It's time out for that, because we don't need to see price. You know, we don't need to see price shoot up and then take a buy. You're going to get lucky with that every once in a while. For the most part, it's going to turn around on you when you get in, if you keep doing that. So like how I was brave enough to take an entry right here, and I knew where to take it right here. Done. I'm not messing with it. You got to get like that. Timbo did it. He was brave enough to take it right here. Boom. Catch it here. Done. Same as Justin.
I don't want to put my stop loss all the way up here. That's unnecessary. This would be enough, because if it start breaking this level, then I'll start looking for the opposite direction, which is a buy. That's the move there, okay? And we took profit. And you can see how price comes right back to that take profit level. Now, here's the thing. We ate on that twice. But after that, the market really, for the last week, guys, the market has been doing, look at this, just consolidating. You know? And it's because it's the holidays. And I want you guys to understand, I don't want you just trading just to trade. I want you to be aware of what you're trading. I've been getting a lot of messages of people saying, man, I've been taking L's for the last 2 weeks. Well, that's because a lot of stuff is going on in the world. And, you know, everything that's going on, and, you know, the feds and everything, you know, it's just a financial mess right now. They say it's a recession, right? Or we're about to be in one. So the market, it's going to look weird. It's going to move weird. But that does not mean that we can't make money. It just means that we're probably going to make less money. We're going to have less opportunities. And I'm just blessed to be able to know when those opportunities arise and where they come from. And that's what I'm teaching the team right now as we speak. All right? Because you can't just come into the market and expect it to be normal and move it normal. Okay? And if it's high impact news, which I use my FX book, then don't even touch it. All right, because the market is going to slow down a lot, and then it's going to just move all of a sudden, just take off. And, you know, are you professional enough to be there when it does? You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep showing you videos on how I'm attacking the markets during this time of the year. And I want you guys to stay tuned, because you're definitely going to learn how to move during the holiday season. If you've been stuck in a rut, taking L's, chasing trades, loss after loss, then you definitely need to watch this next video. It's going to show you how to avoid that in your next trade. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.